Company credit cards. Who gets one? How many people share it? What was that charge for? How long will it take to reconcile this month's card statement? Here's an idea. Pay with Extend. Keep your company credit card and gain a powerful new way to manage spend, all in one place. Create virtual cards on demand from your existing credit line and send them to anyone who needs to charge an expense. Team members, contractors, and even vendors. Set robust spend controls, like card limits and expiration dates, and update them at any time. Create specific cards for different expenses, so you can track and categorize every charge as it happens, helping you automate monthly reconciliation. You can even streamline bookkeeping by integrating Extend with your accounting software. With Extend, virtual cards can be used just like a credit card, or loaded into mobile wallets for use in stores, so you can find more ways to maximize those credit card rewards. If you can charge it, pay with Extend. It's easy, free, and you can get started in minutes. Sign up today at paywithextend.com.